trying to get laid out. Love success.
You're pathetic. Leave me alone. Hi, cutie.
Wait, where you been all night?
Have you ever driven a Victor?
I just can't get down with that.
Hasta luego.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't nigga? Who you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it takes.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Sweet. Shit.
Where's the love, brother? You're an insult to my music.
Who wants to see me shake my bonbon?
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh?
How impressive.
I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
That car is terrible.
Whatever you say, bitch.
You need help, buddy.
You want to get shut up, huh?
Do I look invisible?
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
Hey there.
Is that a Didier Sachs by any chance?
Hey, man, ain't you got a family to board?
I got disputes to resolve anyhow.
Excuse you. What's happening? Hi there. I like the lockdown shit. Yes, I love that.
Have you ever been to the block where
Move your body, move your body.
Bye-bye, girlfriend. Bye, then.
I work at the not-so-white shop.
Mind telling me where you purchased those pants?
Come on, get lost, man.
You just burned the wrong lawyer, buddy.
Pushing me.
That's as far as you get with me. Hi, cutie.
Hey there, sister.
This area's really coming up.
Killing my dream.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?